brewing conditions and cleaning technology of microbeer brewing equipment. The beer produced by the microbrewery equipment contains a certain amount of high-energy yeast. Active yeast secondary fermentation under specific conditions. Therefore, the preservation of brewed beer requires some necessary conditions. Determine specific conditions based on the quality of the beer. The beer produced by the microbeer equipment is stored strictly according to the production time and product type. It should be sterilized and stored after sales, and should not be stored in the cold storage for a long time. The temperature requirements of beer are relatively strict, and the temperature level of the refrigerator must be suitable. Air circulation is also important. If it is not well ventilated, the beer can go bad. Cleaning and sanitation of beer brewing equipment is a technical measure to improve beer quality. In beer production, in addition to using the best manufacturing processes, proper and timely cleaning and frequent disinfection of equipment. The above is the relevant knowledge of beer brewing equipment. You can browse our blog. Welcome to leave a message to contact us.